What is up, guys? It's your boy over here, and this is my school. It's gonna be loud here. Hopefully, you can hear me. Yeah, that's it. This is my school, guys. I forgot to show you the outside, but I'm not allowed to go to the outside.
Let's watch Pornhub.
Oi, oi, oi! This is a family-friendly channel. Chill. Screw you. I'ma cut that out. I'ma cut that out of the video. The ID. My ID. How did you get the ID? What the hell? I just put you guys over here. Wait for my ID. Okay, we got them ID. What's this? Oh, I can change the brightness. I'm just putting in that setting. Okay, fine. I gotta go, guys. Peace.